Lesson 76, multiplication with scientific notation. I think this should wait for chemistry class, but they teach you this in the book. So 4 times 10 to the fifth times 2 times 10 to the negative 2. Remember, scientific notation is always a number between 1 and 10, including 1, times 10 to a power. So that's a number between 1 and 10 times 10 to a power. So all you do is you multiply the numbers there. 4 times 2 is 8. And then you multiply the exponents. But when you multiply exponents, you add them. So 10 to the fifth times 10 to the negative 2 is 10 to the third. So that's an easy problem, 8 times 10 to the third. The second one is like it. 3 times 3, you just multiply and you get 9. And then 10 to the 8th times 10 to the third. When you do exponents, you add the exponents. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 9 times 10 to the 11th. Now the tricky one is this third one. Okay, so it's the same exact setup, but you multiply 4 times 6.2. So I'm going to do it over here. 6.2 times 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 6 is 24. There's one number to the right of the decimal, so in my answer there should be one number to the right. So, and then I add the exponents when I multiply. Negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. So I get an answer of 24.8 times 10 to the negative 2, but this is not scientific notation. This number always has to be between 1 and 10. Okay, it cannot be 10. It could be 1. So what I have to do is I have to take I'm going to move the decimal 1 to the left. So I get 2.48 times 10. Now what power to make this look like that? Well, I have to move it to the right one to make it look like that. So 2.48 times 10 to the 1, and I still have my 10 to the negative 2. And so then I have to add the exponent. So I get 2.48 times 10 to the negative 1. I hope you understand that. If you don't, text me, but this always has to be between 1 and 10. Good luck.